Hello and welcome to another episode of mine. This time is also about the lift. This time we bought 4-post lift. It's double wide, so we can raise 2 cars up in the air and 2 cars we can park underneath. So as you can see, here it is. I have no idea who's gonna install it, lay it all on the ground, and yeah, it's kind of heavy. The whole package is about 1.5 tons. So yeah, but luckily we can take it apart piece by piece and just put them on the ground. Then I can make some measurements, where to put it, how to secure it on the floor, and so on. And I hope that I don't have to cut the holes like I did with the last one. I hope so. But first I'm gonna try to show you some of the big lump of metal on the trailer. This is it. Lots of metal parts. This is the ramp. There's some kind of catalog. Twinbusch Germany. So Germany is making cool things. So, and this one should be, I don't know which one. Where is the double? Yeah, it does make all kinds of stuff for the garage, for trucks. Yeah. So this one should be ours. 3.6 tons. I think it would be enough. And this is the double wide, or how you call it. Here are the measurements. But yeah, crap load of stuff. I think I'm not gonna be bored today, and the day after, and day after that day. So yep. Luckily my friend is gonna help me, because probably the ramps are heavy as hell and I'm not gonna be able to lift them by myself. There's the control box. I'm feeling tired already because a lot of manual labor to do. We can do it. The lightweight stuff is off. I only unloaded the stuff I could lift up, so, but the main platform is still on the trailer because they are freaking heavy, and I'm waiting for my friends to come and help and lift them off. I have no idea will 3 guys is enough or not. These are probably like 150-200 kilos a piece, and I'm not sure that we are able to get them unloaded, but at least we are trying. 4 main platforms and those beams which go between the posts, those are also heavy. I'm not able to lift them by myself, but the small crap is here. It's almost like a 2-post lift, but a little bit more stuff. Some kind of locking mechanisms, posts. There's stuff in the box, stuff in the other box. There's the control unit. Those are the whatever you call them. I have no idea, because I thought it would be easier. But looks like I need Eddie Hall to lift them. Hey Eddie, would you like to come and help us? Probably not. You are somewhere driving a tank. But anyhow, we will figure out something. And many hours later, finally the 4-post parking lift is installed. Well, most of it. I have still all the motor and everything to install. Here's the bracket for the motor and also for the main switch and fuse box and everything else. And also I need to connect all the cables, oil lines, everything. Also the oil trays. If you know the BMW, they are always leaking. So it's great when you have the oil tray. It doesn't leak on the floor or on the other car. And here's the box. And all the stuff I need to install. But yeah, it's gonna be a lot of room from now on. I can get 2 of these on the lift and 2 other cars under the lift, and there will be a lot of space for, you never know what might come into the garage. But yeah, and also I have to drill it to the floor. Yep, this is it. Finally. Well, I was pretty sure that 2 guys for the installation is enough, but I was wrong, because those main platforms, about 150 kilo each. The left one, because it has all the cables and cylinders and shit bolted underneath, so it was much heavier, probably close to 200 kilos. So 2 guys, well, yeah, if they are called Eddie Hall, then probably 1 guy is enough, but we don't have these strong men around, so we had to use 4 guys. Also, these beams were about 150 kilos each. So yeah, because as you know, the whole package was close to 1.5 tons, so a lot of metal. But yeah, there's lots of stuff to do before I can use it. So, and I have no idea when. Well, I take 1 step at a time, probably a few weeks, and it will be operational. And then we can try to lift the Porsche and the E34. It should lift 3,600 kilos. Has the power to lift them up and won't bend in the middle like this. Okay, this is the end switch. The motor. Oh, hey. Wires. Shitload of wires. It's really hard to do it by yourself.
The Chinese two-post lift was much easier to install than this. And this is German. So I did a lot of work off camera. I connected all the cables, all the oil lines, the fuse box, the motor. I already put the oil in. Now it's the moment of truth. Okay, I'm sorry you don't see it, but the green light is on, so it means we have power. Then let's see what happens. I think I need to adjust it a little bit. Okay. So, cars and the jet is parked for the winter. Now we have enough space to store one car there, second one here. No, there's not gonna be any other car here. But yeah, it's done. Whew.